How to set a limit order on Gemini. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the middle button denoted by two arrows to access the trading options. Here, select buy or sell depending on whether you want to purchase or sell a cryptocurrency. Once you are on the trading screen, switch from market order to limit order. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell, giving you more control compared to market orders. Enter the price at which you want to execute the trade and the amount of crypto you wish to buy or sell. Review the estimated fees and total transaction value carefully. After reviewing, tap Place Limit Order to submit your order. Your limit order will remain open until the market reaches your specified price, at which point it will automatically execute. You can track all your active and completed limit orders in the Activity tab at the bottom right corner. Now you know how to set a limit order on Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.